The newly designed housing selection tool allows students to easily choose their preferred housing arrangement and locate potential roommates for on-campus housing requests. To get started, ensure you have completed financial check-in, then navigate to the Res Life portal. Select Liberty Student SSO Login and log in with your username and password. This will take you to the Res Life portal homepage. Select Housing Selection. If you already have a housing arrangement or roommates, use the quick links at the bottom of the page to view them. Otherwise, select Get Started to begin or continue registration for on-campus housing. Locate the term you would like to register for housing, then select Apply or Continue. Before selecting your housing, new students must complete financial check-in, and returning students must select a housing tier in financial check-in before moving forward. If you wish to live on campus, choose On Campus from the drop-down menu, then select Save and Continue. On the next page, you'll be able to view some of the special communities, such as the Independent and Grad Housing Program, Honors Program, or Eagle Scholars Program, available on campus. If you meet the basic requirements for the Independent and Grad Housing Program, you will see the option to apply. To apply to other programs, you will need to contact their offices directly. After viewing the Special Communities page, you'll arrive at the Student Profile page. Here you have the option to create a screen name, which is like a nickname, and submit a personal description and living preferences. If you choose to provide this information, it will be used to match you with potential roommates or for other LU students to look you up in the roommate search. Once you've filled out as much as you'd like, select Save and Continue. On the roommate selection page, you will see several options to look up potential roommates. If you already know who you want to room with, select Search for a known roommate. This page will allow you to look up a student by name, screen name, or Liberty email address. If you want to fill out a mock student profile to find a potential roommate based on answers to the profile questions, select Search for roommates based on roommate question responses. This page will allow you to describe your ideal roommate. If you would like to see suggested roommates based on students whose answers on the student profile most closely match your own, select View Suggested Roommates. When you find a student you'd like to room with based on any of these options, you will have the opportunity to send them a roommate request by selecting Join or Add to Roommate Group, send them a message by selecting Send Message, or view more detailed information by selecting View Profile. However, you are not required to select a roommate at this time. To proceed without selecting a roommate, simply select Save and Continue. After completing roommate details, you will proceed to room selection. On this page, you can select Assign Me a Room or Pick My Own Room from the drop-down menu. To be automatically assigned a room within the housing tier you selected in Financial Check-in, choose Assign Me a Room, then select Save and Continue. If you would like to choose your own room, choose the Pick My Own Room option, then select Save and Continue. If you selected the option to pick your own room, you may select the area of campus matching your housing tier from Financial Check-in, or you may select an area other than your tier. If you select an area of campus outside of your housing tier, you will need to recomplete Financial Check-in after completing housing selection to secure your housing arrangement. The Room List page populates a list of rooms with options to filter by room type, area of campus, building, and more. Only rooms that have available beds in them will appear on this page. Once you've located the room you'd like to stay in, choose Add to Cart, and then select Save and Continue at the bottom of the page. Choose any of the available beds from the drop-down menu and click Select Beds. Review your selected details, then select Confirm. If you would like to make any changes to these details, select Yes from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, select No or leave this option blank. To finalize your selection details, select Save and Continue. Congratulations! You are registered for on-campus housing. If you have any questions during this process, please contact the Office of Residence Life at 434-592-4139 or residencelife@liberty.edu for further assistance.